Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss this pattern program. So in this pattern program, this is a column wise pattern. So when we see the column wise pattern, then we use the nested for loop. Nested for loop is a loop in which for loop inside for loop, that is called nested for loop, and outer for loop is used for row wise pattern, and inner for loop is used for column wise pattern. So in outer loop, we use the range function, and we take 1 as a lower limit and 6 as a upper limit, because the number of rows in this pattern is 5. And in inner loop we take 1 as a lower limit, but upper limit totally depends on outer variable. So I plus 1 is a upper limit in this inner loop, and we print the variable of inner loop mod 2, because this is a column wise pattern, and after printing the inner loop, then we use the empty print function outside the inner loop. So I hope you understand. This pattern is a column wise pattern and right angle triangle shaped pattern. So to draw the right angle triangle shape in this pattern, we used 1 as a lower limit in inner for loop, and I plus 1 as a upper limit in this case, so that the right angle triangle figure is performed. So I hope you understand. Firstly, I takes 1 as a value, and j takes 1 also, and print 1 mod 2, that is it will return reminder as a 1. So in this first row 1 print, because j is a variable of inner for loop, and इस तरीके से आपका जो पैटर्न है ये आपका बन गया है. आई होप अंडरस्टैंड. इस पैटर्न में आपका राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल था, कॉलम वाइज पैटर्न था, तो यहाँ पे प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट में आपके इनर लूप का वेरिएबल प्रिंट होगा, और मोड 2 इसलिए करना पड़ा इस लॉजिक को बनाने के लिए. सो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल, एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम, एंड आई होप you all enjoy the pattern programming playlist from scratch in my YouTube channel, and I will